So yes, we haven't done any van videos lately, I know. The van's been sat up for about 2 months now, so there's a few things I need to check. I've been turning it over now and then, but I know the gear changing is gone stiff, which is quite a common thing, but we need to try and sort that. Hopefully it's an easy fix, and then we can get back on the conversion in the next day or two. So with these Citroen relays or Ducatos or the Peugeot Boxer, or I think the ProMaster in the US, the gear change can get stiff, and one of the reasons for that is I think rainwater can get in when it drains off. It kind of goes through a bit of a gutter, and I think it can get to there from what the previous owner said to me and from what I've read online. So I'm going to try and get in there, and I don't think it's a part needed. I think it's simply a lubrication issue to start with. So I'm hoping we're going to be able to solve it. I'm going to switch to the GoPro, we'll have a little dig around, and then get to where you see the gear changer, and it might be that I have to get Joe to come out and kind of wiggle it around a bit whilst I get some kind of spray, lubricant and grease in there and get it all good again. Wish me luck. That's if we can find where the bonnet opens. Where are you? Where are you? Well, it started up alright. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought it was. Go again, Edith. Okay, Faith, I need to get to that. Still not right. Basically, we've managed to lubricate all the moving parts I could see, which has helped a lot when you're moving the gear lever up and down, the gear stick up and down, up and down. So first to second to third to fourth. When you're in the middle and you're going sideways, i.e. across the reverse, it feels a lot more stiff there, and I can't really see what movement that is doing to lubricate. But the main issue is reverse. Now, it's been like it for a few weeks prior to being parked up, where you really had to give it a proper jiggle to get it into reverse. So just need to work out what that is, but it's moving a lot better than it was. Okay, this is where I turn to YouTubers for help. A lot of you are going to be more mechanically minded than me. Can anyone help? It's just reverse which is the issue now. It's still a little bit stiff side to side, but I've driven it back and forwards just for a little stint, just to see if it was the fact that it had been sat for a while. But I've got all gears nicely, but reverse, just not, it'll go across. Let me show you. So we're good all the way through, so I can pull up fine, I can get it across, although that's quite stiff, but it just won't go up. This has also got a reverse beeper, and that's not kicking in, which obviously engages with the, I guess, with the rear lights, the reverse lights. There we go, there is my appeal for help. So in reality that was a bit of a failed attempt, we're kind of 70% there, but it's just that last bit, and I don't really want to start driving around if I can't get reverse gear in a vehicle this size. So if we can get that sorted, that'd be great. I've got a load more materials coming for the rest of the van, and all the joinery and stuff. I spent a whole day just milling up all the rough sawn timber ready for the cabinets and the bed. I've got a video coming out which has got the SketchUp design, which has got a little bit more info on what we're doing. So don't worry, they're coming, and there'll be plenty to come soon. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself. Of course, if you can help with our sticky gear, then please comment down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you, thank you.